This is the MasterCAM user interface. Similar to other Windows applications, the commands are listed in the top and they are sorted by the tabs. For example, in the Home tab, you will have cut and paste, very similar to Word and Excel. And then you have deletes. You have different type of deletes in here. We will talk about it later. Display, you can choose to display only points, only lines. This is helpful when you have a very complex drawing. You will have the analyze tools. You will need to analyze the lines to make sure that lines that you create is correct. You can also analyze the areas, angles. We do use it a lot in here because we want to make sure the drawings that you create is correct, and you will need that for your homework. As I said before, the MasterCAM has CAM and CAD in there. For the CAD part, you have wireframes, surfaces, solids, model prep, and drafting. In the wireframe, we have points, lines, circle, spline, rectangle, or other shapes. So this is very similar to other CAD system, so you will be able to use it very easily. Surfaces, we do have one or two exercises that use that. We will talk about that. And in solids, there are a couple of ways to do that. You can either import your 3D models from CAD, Inventor, or SolidWorks, or you can draw it in here. But if you do import the drawing from SolidWorks or Inventor, then you lose the associativities. So your toolpath cannot be updated in here. Or if you just edit the drawing, you will have to re-import the drawing again. But if you do that in here in MasterCAM, so everything is associated. So you don't have to recreate the toolpath or re-import the drawing. Model prep is the modification of the solids. Drafting, dimensions. So, but the drafting in here, we probably do a very minimum because this is a CAM class. We don't really do a drafting in here. Transform, we do move or rotate the drawing that you have. Copy the lines or actually move the line from one place to the other. Machines, this is the CAM part of the MasterCAM. We do basically the whole class, 50% of the class is in here, the machines. And in machines, we have different type of machines, milling machine, lathe, YDM, router, but in this class mainly we do milling machine. And then after we generate the toolpath, we can see what we have on the toolpath, like what they are moving, how they move. We actually can see if you set up the machine right, you can actually see how it is on the machine. The one thing that there's a big difference between the full version of MasterCAM and the one that you do come with the book is this. The one comes with the book, you cannot generate any NC files. You will need the one from the school that can generate the NC file. Now on this side, that is the history bar. There are different tabs in here as well. For the toolpath tab, so you will be able to see the toolpath you created in here. So you have toolpath number 1, number 2, number 3. We can edit it in here, just like the CAD Inventor. You will see your history of the modeling history in here. And solids, same things, very similar to Inventor or SolidWorks. You can see the history you built in here, and you can choose different type of planes, different levels. We will talk about planes and level later. And if you by mistake close these, you can actually go to the view command and turn it back on in the managers. So you can actually bring it back from there. So now you can go back and see this. So this is very useful when you are actually doing the toolpath. And then later on we will talk about the graphical views, and then also these little the planes, the construction planes, the T-planes. We will talk about these later.